Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best two-person lawn chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Patio double camping chair. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those looking to lounge in comfort without breaking the bank. Priced at just $64.99, this chair boasts a sturdy steel frame capable of supporting up to 600 pounds. It's made with durable 600D Oxford fabric that's both padded and comfortable, ensuring you and your partner can relax for hours. The thoughtful addition of 2 cup holders and 2 wine glass holders makes it ideal for romantic picnics or casual hangouts by the fire. The Patio chair's design prioritizes portability, folding down to a compact 37.8 x 10.2 x 7.9 inches and weighing only 12.8 pounds. It fits easily into most car trunks and comes with a convenient carry bag. While it may not have the plush padding or heavy-duty build of premium options, its lightweight construction and thoughtful storage pockets make it a versatile choice for a wide range of outdoor activities, including camping, beach outings, and backyard barbecues. However, the Patio does have its limitations. The armless design may not suit everyone, and its weight capacity, while sufficient for most, is lower compared to higher-end chairs. But for the price, it delivers outstanding value and is a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. If you're looking for an affordable yet reliable two-person chair, the Patio is an excellent starting point. At number 4, we have the Husk-Firm two-person camping chair. This chair strikes a great balance between comfort and affordability. Priced at $79.99, it features a roomy 57.5-inch width and a high backrest for added support, making it perfect for couples who value comfort. The construction includes a durable steel frame with a 650-pound weight capacity and thick 600D Oxford fabric for long-lasting use. It also comes with thoughtful extras like 2 cup holders, 2 wine glass holders, and back storage pockets for magazines or snacks. The Husk-Firm chair is easy to set up and folds down quickly, making it a convenient option for on-the-go outdoor enthusiasts. It includes a carry bag that measures 8.3 by 39.8 inches, ensuring it's easy to store and transport. The chair's wide armrests add a layer of comfort that's often missing in similarly priced models, and the anti-slip foot pads make it suitable for a variety of terrains, from sandy beaches to grassy lawns. On the downside, the chair is slightly heavier at 14 pounds, which might not be ideal for long hikes or backpacking trips. Additionally, while its comfort level is commendable, the padding is not as plush as some premium options. Still, for under $80, the Husk-Firm two-person camping chair offers excellent value and a solid mix of durability and convenience, making it a great mid-range choice. Taking the third spot is the Loveseat double camping chair, a fantastic all-rounder priced at $89.99. This chair is designed with comfort and durability in mind, featuring wide armrests, a high backrest, and thick padding throughout the seat. With dimensions of 57.5 by 23 by 38 inches, it's spacious enough for 2 adults to lounge comfortably. The sturdy coated steel frame supports up to 650 pounds and incorporates vertical stabilizing legs for added strength, ensuring it holds up well to extended use in outdoor settings. One of the standout features of the Loveseat chair is its versatility. It's equipped with 2 cup holders, 2 wine glass holders, and back pockets for storing small essentials like phones or magazines. The chair is also highly portable, folding down quickly and coming with a carry bag for easy transport. Whether you're heading to a sports game, enjoying a beach day, or relaxing at a campsite, the Loveseat chair offers a reliable and comfortable seating experience. That said, the chair is slightly heavier at 14 pounds, and while the plaid design adds a touch of style, it may not appeal to everyone. It's also not as compact as some other options when folded. However, these are minor drawbacks for a chair that delivers exceptional comfort, durability, and thoughtful design features. The Loveseat double camping chair is an excellent choice for those who want a balance of quality and affordability. At number 2, we have the kingcamp double camping chair, which offers a premium experience at a mid-range price of $99.99. This chair is perfect for those who prioritize comfort and durability. Its double-layer, padded design provides a luxurious feel, while the spacious 54.3-inch width ensures plenty of room for 2 adults. The chair is built with thickened steel tubing and reinforced anchor points, supporting up to 550 pounds and making it one of the most durable options on this list. The kingcamp chair also excels in portability, folding down to a compact 9x9x36.2 inches and weighing just 13.4 pounds. It comes with a sturdy carry bag featuring a shoulder strap, making it easy to transport to tailgates, outdoor concerts, or camping trips. The inclusion of dual cup holders and wine glass slots adds a touch of elegance, making it perfect for romantic outdoor evenings. Additionally, the anti-slip foot pads ensure stability on uneven surfaces. While the kingcamp chair is feature-rich, its weight capacity is slightly lower than some other options, and its price point may be a bit high for budget-conscious buyers. However, its superior comfort, thoughtful design, and robust construction make it a worthwhile investment for those who want a high-quality Loveseat for outdoor use. Finally, taking the top spot is the Huskfirm double camping chair padded Loveseat, priced at $129.95. This chair is the epitome of luxury and durability, offering an unmatched outdoor seating experience. With high loft padding throughout the seat and backrest, it provides exceptional lumbar support and comfort. The heavy-duty steel frame can support up to an impressive 800 pounds, while the durable 800D Oxford fabric ensures long-lasting use. Even in rugged outdoor conditions, the thoughtful design of the Huskfirm Loveseat includes 2 adjustable cup holders, making it easy to keep your beverages secure while you relax. It folds down quickly and comes with a convenient carry bag for effortless transport. Despite its robust build, it remains portable, making it ideal for camping trips, backyard gatherings, and even winter bonfire nights. The oversized dimensions of 21x30x36 inches make it one of the most spacious and comfortable options on the market. The only downside to this premium option is its higher price tag and slightly heavier weight at 22.8 pounds. However, for those who want the best of the best in terms of comfort, durability, and design, the Huskfirm padded Loveseat is worth every penny. It's the ultimate choice for couples or families who want to elevate their outdoor experiences. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.